everyone. So I am Baymani Sambalado Abbas, and today I will be introducing myself along with the educational tool that I have chosen, which is Quizalize. Quizalize is an online quiz platform designed to make learning more interactive, engaging, and learner-centered. So it allows teachers to create quizzes that automatically track student performance and progress. This tool was developed to support differentiated instructions, meaning it helps teachers identify which students need more support and which ones are ready for enrichment activities. In the context of English language teaching, Quizalize is especially valuable because it turns lessons and assessment into enjoyable learning experiences. Through gamified quizzes, students become more motivated to participate, practice grammar, and expand vocabulary, and improve reading comprehension. More importantly, Quizalize provides instant feedback, allowing both teachers and learners to monitor growth and address learning gaps effectively. Overall, Quizalize enhanced the English learning environment by promoting active participation, continuous assessment, and meaningful engagement. So first, let's just go to the Chrome, and in the search bar, just type Quizalize or quizalize.com, and the site or the link will automatically show. So after typing that, just click the link para mapunta ka na sa site na ating gagawan ng tutorial. So there you are. Nasa Quizalize na tayo, and if you scroll down, there are reasons why the teacher loves Quizalize. So you can see there the reasons, the features, the impacts, and why it is very attainable. All of here is the steps, the impacts, and why the teacher loves to use Quizalize. You can use it for free in the first time, like 5 times, and kapag nag-exit ka na dun sa 5 is you'll just need to pay 25 or 65 pesos. So here, you can choose if you are a student or you are a teacher. So if you are a student, you'll just type the code here na binigay ng teacher mo. So here it is. So kapag sa teachers naman is just click the sign in or for teachers. So here, mag-choose ka lang kung anong gagamitin mo. Yung Google ba, Google Classroom, or other emails that you could use. So here, I used my own Gmail account to start since nagamit ko na rin yan when I was exploring. So here, you can choose kung ano ba yung tuturuan mo. If it is elementary, junior high school, senior high school, vocational, and others. So since ang topic natin is in English junior high school, so I just chose junior high school, grade 8, and English. But you can, kapag kahit anong subject mo is pwede mong piliin dito. You can use math, Filipino, and other subjects. So here, I am now choosing my topic. So there are provided topics na si Quizalize na mismo ang nag-provide. So kapag nandyan na yung topic na gusto mong ituro or gusto mong gawa ng quiz, you can just click one of those, and pwede ka rin namang gumawa ng sarili mong topics or kung ano yung gusto mong i-present. But in my case, I just chose the kinds of nouns since that's the topic I have chosen. You can see here the topics that was provided by Quizalize. So pwede mong i-utilize yan or make your own topic. So kapag nag-scroll down ka dyan, you will see the activities that you can use. So this Quizalize is in partners with AI. So pwede kang mag-provide na lang ng topic, and si Quizalize na ang bahala gumawa ng mga questions that you will use or utilize in your classroom. So in my case, you just click that make a smart quiz with AI help. So, dito is pwede kang tulungan ni AI or sila na ang magpo-provide ng questions. So, you will just choose what are you going to teach in that day or in your topic. So, you can just type kinds of nouns, verbs, or any other topic that you will use or you will teach to your students. So, it is very enjoyable since while nag-quiz, there are some activities or games that could use by your students. So here, nagpagawa na ako ng questions kay AI. So you can see there that he or the AI is now providing some questions that we could use in our quiz. So, ikaw na rin ang bahala kung ilan ba ang ipapagawa mong questions kay AI or kay Quizalize. So, there you can see that I asked Quizalize and AI to make 9 questions for me. So, after that, you will just save, review, or export your the question that was made for you or your activity. So, there are some questions you can edit your questions and add more or reduce it or produce another question. So, in my case, I just save it and preview. After saving and doing a preview, you can just do it like save or print. And you can also hide the questions and make it private so that your students won't see the answers of your quizzes. You can just save and preview. So, after mo ma-save yan is, makikita mo na siya sa library mo, which is in your profile. So, here, after saving it, it is now ready to be distributed or give it to your class. So, here are the questions that was made by Quizalize earlier. So there you can see there the 9 questions that was made in partner of AI. So you can, after doing a questions, you can practice it by playing as a student, and you can also edit your questions or what AI made. You can add or remove some questions. So, para mas maging effective, I tried it to play as a student. So here, there are some games that you can utilize para mas maging enjoyable and interactive ang classroom or your topic. So, there are 4 or 3 games, which is the blockers, the hoops, you can utilize in order for your students not to get bored. You can utilize all of these games in your quiz according to your taste or kung saan mas magiging interactive yung class mo. But in my case, I chose hoops to practice. So, here's how it works. After clicking the hoops, you can choose if it is easy, tricky, or cruel. So, you can choose kung ano dyan yung gusto mong ipalaro sa mga students mo. So, here are the samples or examples. So, first, you can click start to play the games. So, after clicking the start button, you can now start the quiz or the games. So here, mag-show yung mga questions, and after choosing answers and if it's correct, the students are given a chance to shoot a ball. So, pag na-shoot nila yung ball, is another points will be given to them. So, kapag hindi naman, is only 1 point for getting the correct answer. So, ganyan lang yan siya hanggang sa matapos na yung questions. activity or the quiz are now ready to give to your students. So here, you can just create a code or the class name. Yes, class name, not code. You can use class name. So I used the name of our section, which is null. So you can choose who can enter the classroom by entering their class code, by entering through their Gmails, through Google account, through Google Classroom. So it's your choice what to choose. But I choose Google Classroom for my students to easy to access. So after that, pwede mo nang isave yung work mo or the activities. So, you can select a curriculum or course, but you can also skip that part. So, it's your choice as a teacher. So, for me, I skip it since hindi naman natin yun really need. So, now, since na-save na, my activity is ready to be played or given to the classroom. So you can find that work of yours in that 3 lines. Your activity is now ready. So here are some games that you could use or utilize in Quizalize. We have 7 games that you could use in your quiz or activities. And that's all.
As I reflect on using Quizalize in teaching English, I see that it provides several meaningful advantages in the classroom. One of its strengths is how it makes learning more engaging and interactive. Instead of merely answering written tasks, students participate through gamified quizzes, which increases motivation, especially for learners who may feel shy or less confident. Another advantage is its support for differentiated instruction. Quizalize will show you who is performing well and who needs more guidance, so you can adjust teaching strategies accordingly. This is valuable in English learning, where students have different levels of vocabulary, grammar knowledge, and comprehension. However, the tool also has limitations. It requires stable internet and available devices which may not always be accessible. Teachers must also spend time preparing quizzes and learning the platform. But despite these challenges, Quizalize remains effective in enhancing English learning. So overall, Quizalize does not replace teachers, but rather it assists us in creating a more interactive and personalized learning environment.